Hi, it's Lori with Positive Thanks Living, and this is 7 Days Summer Digi 2021, Day 5. For Day 5, I used the long length of paper that looks like watermelon to make some corner tucks, and I added some pithy statements. While the world goes bananas, we make lemonade. And sunshine in a cup, that's lemonade. So those were for Day 5. And I made some more of the tags, playing with the eyelets, grommets, whatever you call them. But they're pockets, and they have some fun stuff in them. And I had little bits of ribbon left over, so I added a little topper to each one with a brad, and then they can go in the pockets of the tags. Yeah, so that is Day 5. And all this will go in the journals. We'll get around that. 7 Days Summer Digi 2021 with Cara Brandon and DearJulieJulie. Take care. It's Lori with Positive Thanks Living.